Welcome to WTEYA Membrane Equipment Factory. This is our workshop. Our membrane series products cover reverse osmosis membrane system, ultrafiltration membrane system, and DTRO membrane system, modularity, compact structure, low energy consumption, and high water quality treatment capacity. Among them, the integrated membrane equipment adopts container design and is convenient to operate and transport. The equipment is equipped with automatic control system, which is simple to operate and has a wide range of applications and is suitable for food, pharmacy, drinking water, chemical industry, electric power, seawater desalination, and other fields. It not only provides standardized products with a short production cycle and faster delivery, also supports OEM and ODM customized services. If you need membrane equipment, please contact me and you will get the factory price.